So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com. Okay, and then you can search button to click and then enter your model number of motherboard Z890 UD Wi-Fi 6E, then hit enter and then click to product. After that click on model number of motherboard. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is required. If you Windows 10 any use, so installations process same. W lines means Wi-Fi, so Intel Wi-Fi driver and click to download. It will start downloading here Wi-Fi. Then open Wi-Fi driver to double click exe. Then click to yes. And then install and close it.